Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. Hope you all are in good health. Oh children, can you tell me who made this sound? Which animal is it? Very good. It's an elephant. It's an elephant. And can you tell me children, elephant starts with which alphabet? Very good. Elephant starts with alphabet E. Elephant starts with alphabet E. Now children, tell me, elephant is a wild animal or domestic animal? Very good. It's a wild animal, right? Now let me show you the next picture. Now children, can you tell me, what is it? Yes, you are right. It's an ant. It's an ant. Now children, tell me the color of ant. Yes, here the ant is red in color. Children, we can see the ants in red or we can see them in black in color, right? Now tell me one thing, that ant starts with which alphabet? Very good. Ant starts with alphabet A. It starts with alphabet A. Now let us see the next picture. Now children, tell me, what is it? It's your favorite, right? It is my favorite too. Yes, it's an ice cream. It tastes yum yum. I love to eat ice cream. Do you love to eat ice cream? Okay, now tell me children, ice cream starts with which alphabet? Very good. Ice cream starts with alphabet I. Now let us see the next picture. Now children, tell me, which fruit is this? Yes, it tastes very sweet, right? And it is orange in color. Now can you tell me the name of this fruit? Again you are right. It's an orange. It's an orange. And now children, tell me, orange starts with which alphabet? Very good. Orange starts with alphabet O. Alphabet O. Now let us see the next one. Now children, tell me, what is it? It's very colorful, right? Very good. It's an umbrella. It's an umbrella. It helps us to protect from rain and also from the rays of the sun, right? Now children, tell me, umbrella starts with which alphabet? Very good. Umbrella starts with alphabet U. It starts with alphabet U. Children, do you like stories? Okay, now I am going to say you a small story. Please listen to it very carefully. Once upon a time, in a jungle, there lived an ant. This ant has a friend, a best friend. This ant's best friend is elephant. This ant's best friend is elephant. Both of them are good friends. One day they decided to have ice creams. So they went to a shop and from there they bought ice creams. They bought ice creams. The shopkeeper asked them, what ice cream would you like to have? So they said, we would like to have orange flavor ice cream. We would like to have orange orange flavor ice cream. As it was very hot, so they decided to sit and have their ice cream. So both of them sat under an umbrella. Both of them sat under an umbrella and they enjoyed having their ice cream. Dear children, hope you have enjoyed the story. Children, here we can see many alphabets, right? From A to Z. We can see all the alphabets are here. From here, we have to take out those alphabets which we have learned in our story. Can you please tell me? Can you please help me to find out those alphabets which we have learned in our story? Very good. And thank you for helping me. So what are the alphabets? Please say it to me. First alphabet was A for ant. So first alphabet is A. So I am taking A and I am keeping it in a side. The next alphabet is E for elephant. So the next alphabet is E. Again I am taking it and I am keeping it in a side. Next alphabet, A for ant, E for elephant. Next, yes, very good. I for ice cream. So I am taking I from here and I am keeping it in a side. Next alphabet, again good. O for orange. So I am taking the alphabet O and I am keeping it in a side. And the last alphabet, very good, U for umbrella. So I am taking it and I am keeping it in a side. So we have got our 5 alphabets. Now let us arrange it properly. So now we have arranged it nicely. Now, what are these alphabets? These are A, E, I, O, U. Now children, can you please count and tell me how many alphabets I have taken out from all the alphabets? Now let us count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From there, I have taken out 5 alphabets. Do you know children? These 5 alphabets are called vowels. These 5 alphabets are called vowels. So children, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Now children, let me tell you one secret. Please do not share it with others. Write A, E, I, O, U on your fingers. It will help you to remember that how many vowels are there and what are they. So it's very secret. Do not share it with others. Okay? Now children, let us revise vowels once again. Before that, tell me, how many fingers do you have in one hand? Yes, you have 5 fingers. So, there are 5 vowels. What are they? They are A, E, I, O, U. Very good, everyone. So children, without wasting your time, write A, E, I, O, U on your fingers. Okay, so this is all for today. Bye-bye and have a nice day.